Tonight, we're staying in a hotel with the best view in all of Rotterdam, or perhaps the entire Netherlands. Now, I had no idea there was even a hotel up there, so come along with us as we spend a night at the top of the Euromast.
We're Michelle and Alex. In the summer of 2022, we moved from our home country of the United States to Rotterdam in the Netherlands. We love to travel, and we do a lot of it, from exploring more of the country we now live in to recently reopened Japan to our most recent island adventure in Lanzarote. But sometimes you just want to have a little vacation without leaving home. When we heard that there were 2 hotel suites available at the top of the Euromast, the observation tower that marks the skyline here in Rotterdam, you could say it piqued our interest. Especially because the cost was a whopping 395 euros per night. Would this be a memorable once-in-a-lifetime sleepover, or whatever the opposite of that is?
So for those of you that aren't familiar with the Euromast, it's an observation tower in Rotterdam that was built between 1958 and 1960. And since then, it's bounced back and forth between being the tallest structure in Rotterdam, but sadly, it officially lost its title in 2021.
Probably that thing right there.
Yeah, I think it's that. I don't know what that is, but it's taller than this.
Yeah.
Welcome to our suite at the top of the Euromast. We are staying in the Stars suite, which is one of 2 rooms up here with us. So let's take a look. When you first walk in, we have our bed here. We've got a little seating area over here.
With fruit.
With fruit, a lot of fruit. That's a lot of fruit.
And flowers.
And if you come over here, we got a nice TV with a whole bunch of DVDs. Check that out. What are we gonna watch tonight?
The Hangover. Da Vinci Code.
What is White House Down? Got this desk.
An espresso.
Yeah, most importantly.
And a kettle.
Coffee. And then, we got a little mini fridge. What do you think? Do you think there's something in here?
Yes. Oh wow, it's a mini bar.
Oh damn. Do we get all this for free? Wait. There's a card in here. No. Not free. So here's the bathroom. Pretty spacious. Nice sink, toilet, and we'll be using this later.
Once it's more private.
Yeah, once it's more private, which if you haven't noticed already, we are sharing our view with a few other people up here.
Yeah, you just pee next. Give everyone a shot of you peeing.
Yeah. So we're sharing our view with anyone else who's coming up to the top of the Euromast, but only until 10 p.m. So 10 p.m. to 10 a.m. it's gonna be private, assuming no one else is staying in the other suite, but still.
It's a lot more private than it is right now.
Yeah, a lot more private than it is right now, but look at this view.
This view will be ours for 12 hours.
Yeah. Oh, firm, yet a little bit of give. Okay, what's this? I don't know what this says.
It's all in Dutch?
It's all in Dutch.
What's in the box?
Oh, it's actually like some sort of gift. Oh, it's chocolate.
Oh
my god. Chocolate. It's chocolate in the shape of the Euromast. This is pretty cute.
So with the room, you also get free breakfast. Or rather, breakfast comes with the room. What do you mean is free breakfast? You just fill out this card, you tell them what time you want them to pop by in the morning, and they bring it right to you.
Yeah. And there is a restaurant here, which we will be dining at later. It's not included, so you have to make reservations and pay for it separately. Do you hear music? room service came. I guess it's the champagne and snacks that come with the room. We've got a variety of breads. What is this, tapenade?
Oh, tapenade, yeah.
Olives.
Uh-huh. Good cheese.
A nice hard cheese. It kind of looks like it might be like pecorino or something.
I doubt it's pecorino.
Oh, these are these like vegetable chips.
Okay.
Nuts, butter.
Okay.
Yum.
Pop that champagne, baby.
Wow, this is gonna take like 5 minutes. I'm scared of it. I'm scared of everything. Oh wait.
What is this method?
Do you understand? Hang on. How do you do this? Alex had to pop the bottle. I was too weak to do it.
It's really funny just sitting here, eating our snack, drinking our champagne, and all these people are just walking right by our room.
Staring.
Yeah, looking in like, oh, what is that?
And then they see people.
See, they're gonna do it, they're gonna do it, they're gonna do it. Watch. Nope, they didn't do it.
Alright, it's time to go get dinner at the fancy restaurant downstairs, but first, I need to get changed. Just kidding, I'm just wearing this. We're at the Euromast Brasserie where they do everything from brunch to high tea to dinner. Tonight, we're obviously here for dinner, and dinner is not included in your stay at the suite, but we decided to come here because it's probably gonna be the only time we come here.
What do you mean?
We probably won't find ourselves here, you know, on a normal night.
Why?
Because I've heard the food is pretty mid.
Alright, so we got the beef carpaccio, which we've actually never had before, but we know this is a very popular thing here in the Netherlands. So we thought we'd give it a shot tonight. For those of you that don't know, beef carpaccio is raw beef. So we've been a little nervous to eat it, but I've heard it tastes very, very good. So it's just like a rich, buttery base layer with some arugula, pine nuts, capers, sun-dried tomatoes, and presumably some sort of cheese. It's good. It's very good. Very light.
We got fries.
And?
And we got duck breast with, I think, was it mushroom risotto?
Yeah.
I've never had duck breast before. So, this is a new experience. Alright. It tastes like a pork chop.
I know.
You said it would taste like dark meat chicken.
Well, it tastes familiar.
Oh, it tastes very familiar. It tastes like a good pork chop. Yeah, alright. Let's get this.
It actually does look pretty good.
Y'all told us to try the Dodok apple tart, and they have it on the menu here.
Get in there.
Thank you. Thank you for suggesting this.
Me?
No. The person who suggested it. Thank you.
Me?
Just trying to get a shot of the last bite, but it's already in my mouth. Alright, it's after 10 and we have the whole place to ourselves.
But it's really cold and windy.
It's so cold. This might be colder than the New Year's time.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It's the next morning. How'd you sleep?
Not bad. Yeah.
All right.
Breakfast should be arriving shortly, so we'll get into that in just a little bit.
Yes, and then we'll also be getting into what our experience was like overall, staying in the suites at the Euromast. We'll do that on the walk home. So, packing up, breakfast, checkout, then you'll get our thoughts. Ready? Let's go. Breakfast has arrived. Got our coffee, OJ. Got a selection of fine breads,
Young cheese.
cheeses.
Apricot.
What's in there? What's in this special bowl?
I bet this is eggs. Eggs and bacon.
There's something under here too. What do you think it is? Actually, I know what it is.
You know what it is?
Yeah, it's the only thing we haven't seen yet. Dun,
French
dun, dun,
toast.
French toast.
All right. Let's eat.
There we go. Goodbye, Euromast. Sadly, it's time for us to go home.
But luckily, we're not that far away.
It is nice staying in a hotel in your own city.
It is kind of nice. Yeah.
So let's talk about our experience.
Yeah.
Let's start with the pros. Actually, before we get there, I think you should know we spent 395 euros for a night in the suite at the Euromast, which did include breakfast and a bottle of champagne when we arrived.
And some snacks.
Now let's talk about the pros.
All right. So one of the coolest parts about it is you have the observation deck all to yourself from 10 p.m. to 10 a.m., which is really nice. For us, it was a little chilly and windy, but that can't be helped. I would imagine if you came here in the summer, spring, and fall, you would spend so much time out there. Next, the champagne and the snacks that you got on check-in were really good. And the champagne was 60 euros for the whole bottle down at the restaurant. So if you like champagne, that definitely factors into the cost. And finally, you really just felt like a VIP throughout the entire experience. Everyone was really friendly to you. All of the food and everything arrived on time. So it was just overall, you felt really special. Now, let's talk about the cons.
There wasn't a lot of privacy in the room. When the Euromast was open, the observation deck was open, there were a lot of people walking by and just like staring into your room, especially the kids. They would walk by and be like, eh. So you kind of had to keep your curtains closed most of the time, or just be okay with the fact that people were just going to be staring at you. It was also kind of loud. So while the Euromast was open, people were loud waiting for the elevator. You know, that's fine. And the restaurant was pretty loud music-wise until it closed around 11 o'clock in the evening. And it started up again pretty early too, so you're not getting much sleep. But maybe that's not why you're staying in a place like this. You want to go enjoy the observation deck in the middle of the night, so, you know, sleep schmeep. Dinner, it was okay. It was also pretty expensive. That was not included in the room. And I think what I would recommend is that you come and you get like drinks and snacks or lunch or something instead, and then you just go out to dinner somewhere else. All right, so that was our trip to the Euromast.
We've been doing a few unique stays recently, so if you want to see more videos like this one, give us a thumbs up.
As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye!
Bye. All right, bye-bye, Euromast.
Bye!
Have a good day. Fijne dag. Fijne dag, Euromast. Bye. Bye, Dewey. Dewey, bye.